Hi everyone! Welcome back to Miss Grammar, the place where learning English is fun and easy.
Hey learners! I'm Alex and I'm super excited today because we're starting from zero. Yep, this video is your complete beginner's guide to learning English from scratch.
So, even if you don't know a single word in English, don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand basic grammar, useful sentences, and how to speak English confidently in daily life.
And we'll make it fun with examples, short dialogues, and even a small speaking challenge at the end.
So grab your notebook, relax, and let's begin your English journey. So Alex, when people say, I want to learn English from zero, where should they actually start?
Great question. The first step is to build your foundation. That means learning. 1. Basic sentence structure. 2. Common verbs and pronouns. 3. Simple daily expressions.
Exactly. English sentences usually follow this simple pattern: subject plus verb plus object.
For example, I eat apples. She likes coffee. They play football.
This pattern is your best friend. Once you understand it, you can make hundreds of sentences easily.
Part 1. Basic pronouns.
Let's start with pronouns, words we use instead of names. First person, singular, I, plural, we. Second person, singular, you, plural, you. Third person, singular, he, she, it, plural, they.
For example, I am Alex. You are my friend. He is a teacher. She is a doctor. It is a cat. We are students. They are happy.
Repeat after us. I am happy. You are smart. They are friends.
Part 2. The verb to be. Am, is, are. Now let's look at the most important verb in English, to be.
We use am, is, are depending on the subject. Subject. I, form am. Subject. He, she. It. Form is. Subject. You, we, they. Form are.
Examples. I am from India. She is my sister. They are students.
Let's make it interactive. Alex, ask me where I'm from.
Where are you from, Luna?
I'm from London. Now your turn, viewers. Say your city out loud.
I'm from.
Good job.
Part 3. Building simple sentences. Now that you know pronouns and the to be verb, let's make simple positive, negative, and question sentences.
Let's take the sentence, she is a student. Positive, she is a student. Negative, she is not a student. Question, is she a student?
It's that simple. Try with this one. He is a doctor. Negative, he is not a doctor. Question, is he a doctor?
Viewers, say these with us. Repeating helps your brain remember faster.
Part 4. Basic daily verbs.
Now let's move to action verbs. These show what we do. Verbs: eat, drink, go, come, play, read, write, work.
Examples. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. She drinks water. We go to school. They play football.
Now repeat after us. I read English every day. He writes with a pen. We work hard.
Luna, do you drink coffee or tea?
Definitely coffee. And you?
Tea, of course.
See, even a small chat like this can help you practice verbs in real life.
Part 5. Making questions in English.
Now let's learn how to ask questions. One of the most useful skills.
Use do or does to start your questions. Subject. I, you, we, they. Helping verb. Do. Subject. He, she, it. Helping verb, does. Examples. Do you like music? Does he play football? Do they go to school?
And to answer, correct, yes, I do. Incorrect, no, I don't. Correct, yes, he does. / incorrect, no, he doesn't.
Let's practice a short mini dialogue.
Okay, Alex, you ask me some questions.
Sure. 1. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
2. Do you play guitar?
No, I don't.
3. Does your brother speak English?
Yes, he does.
4. Do you read books?
Every day. Now, viewers, your turn. Answer with your voice. Do you like coffee? Do you play games? Does your friend study English?
Now, let's talk about some common mistakes beginners make and how to fix them. Mistake 1. Saying he don't instead of he doesn't. He don't like apples. He doesn't like apples.
Mistake 2. Forgetting the helping verb in questions. You like pizza? Do you like pizza?
Mistake 3. Using am or is with action verbs. I am eat breakfast. I eat breakfast.
Mistake 4. Not capitalizing I. Always write I in capital letters. I am happy.
And mistake 5. Thinking too much before speaking. Overthinking equals slow learning. Just speak, even if it's not perfect.
Yes. Confidence first, perfection later. Let's quickly recap what we learned today.
Pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. To be verbs. Am, is, are. Action verbs. Eat, drink, go, come, play, etc. Sentence structures. Positive, negative, and questions. 15 daily sentences. Common mistakes and how to fix them.
And now, it's challenge time.
We want you to write 5 simple English sentences in the comments. For example, 1. I am a student. 2. I like coffee. 3. I play football. 4. She is my friend. 5. We are happy.
Yes. Write your own sentences below. We'll read and heart your comments.
And don't forget, practice every day. Even 10 minutes daily will make a big difference.
Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Be patient, be proud, and keep going.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning with Luna and Alex.